That's how we spend the end of the year. What's there?
I got 2 kitties down here. 2 little helpers
Let's see.
with 8 paws.
Then put the lights on to see what's there. Let me see them.
Look.
Hi, baby. What are you guys doing there? Fixing the dishwasher? Fixing the dishwasher, huh? We just got a new one and it leaked all over. And we're gonna replace it today, and the cats are helping. That's little Onyx. He is a pistol. He's funny and hyper. That's my Siki. He been sick, little Krumi. Here, Krumi. Let me see you, Mouse. I love you. I'm so glad you're better a little bit. And this is Niels. He's always hungry. Nielsie, here. Baby, he's always hungry. We'll see how this dishwasher is gonna turn out to be today. With so much help here.